Let's start by getting your multimeter ready to measure voltage. To measure voltage, you will need to plug your leads into the correct ports on your multimeter. For measuring voltage, your red lead plugs into the port marked with the V symbol. This is the symbol for voltage. Our black lead will be plugged into the port marked with COM. Recall that there are two types of current, direct current, DC, and alternating current, AC. With DC, the current flows in one direction. With AC, the current will periodically alternate the direction it flows in. AC and DC current also produce a unique voltage. Voltage coming from an AC system is called AC voltage. Voltage coming from a DC system is called DC voltage. Before taking any measurements, you need to set your multimeter dial to AC or DC voltage. Your multimeter will have two voltage symbols around the dial. One V symbol is for AC voltage. The other V symbol is for DC voltage. The AC voltage symbol will be a V with A over the V. The DC voltage symbol will be a V with a solid and dashed line over the V. Rotate your dial until it points to the correct symbol. Recall each dial position on a multimeter can have multiple measurements. It is common for AC and DC voltage to be on the same dial position. If they are on the same dial position, you will need to use the function key to switch between AC or DC voltage. For example, you want to measure AC voltage. You would rotate the dial on your meter until it points to the V sign. See the picture to the right for an example. Then, you would press the function key until a C and V are displayed on the screen.